Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic usage of acid. And usage of acid, first, as you are looking over here, fire extinguisher. I am going to discuss fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher, nothing. It is an apparatus made up of metal. This apparatus made up of metal and it consists two bottles. One is outer bottle and another is the inner bottle. Outer bottle filled with the sodium carbonate. Outer bottle filled with the sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate also known as washing soda. Do you know what is the formula of sodium carbonate? Yes. Sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Got it? Sodium carbonate Na2CO3. In inner side bottle, this one. This is filled with the sulfuric acid. अब तो याद हो गया होगा. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? Yes, who will tell me? H2SO4. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. It is a kind of mineral acid. Organic acid or mineral acid? Mineral acid. Strong acid. Right? Highly corrosive. So, sulfuric acid H2SO4. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Now, this is the, and this having an handle, safety pin like this, right, and a nozzle. Whenever we need, the fire extinguisher are of two types. Number one time use fire extinguisher, or second one, multiple use fire extinguisher. In our school, multiple use of fire extinguishers are there. टंगे हुए ना, देखा था आप लोगों ने. तो मल्टीपल यूज ऑफ फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. व्हाट वी नीड, व्हाट वी डू, हाउ कैन वी यूज दिस वन. याद है आप लोगों को जब यहाँ पर एक सेफ्टी वाले आए थे, उन्होंने एक इसको करके दिखाया था. नो प्रॉब्लम, लुक ओवर हियर. दिस सिलेंडर वी जस्ट, इट इज स्ट्रेट, वी invert it, उल्टा कर देंगे. If we invert it, and as we invert it and taking this nozzle, जहां पर इसको स्प्रे करना है, जहां पर स्प्रे करना है, ऐसे पकड़ लेंगे. One hand cylinder, another hand this one nozzle. Now press it. As we press it, the sulfuric acid release and it react with the sodium carbonate. Sulfuric acid release and it react with the sodium carbonate, and when sulfuric acid react with the sodium carbonate, it produce sodium carbonate plus sulfuric acid, it produce the Na2SO4. Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. You will write this reaction 4 to 5 times. You will learn it. Not a big problem. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate you have learned. H2SO4 sulfuric acid you have learned. When they react, they produce Na2SO4 sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Got it? This is the basic process of fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide cut off the supply of oxygen. How the carbon dioxide extinguish the fire? It cut off the supply of oxygen. Oxygen की supply को बंद कर देती है. In this way, it extinguishes the fire. Now look, usage of acids. Acids commonly used into the batteries. बैटरीज ऑफ कार, ट्रक, उनके अंदर एसिड भरे थे. sulfuric acid, trucks, inverter batteries. The acids is also used in the medicines, to making the medicines, drugs, and also used into the paints, manufacturing of the paint. These Asian paint, Nerolac, like this one, and it is also used as a dye in preparing the dyes. Dye means color करना. ये हम कहते हैं ना एसिडिक डाई, बालों को कलर करना. Not only hair color, but also it is used in the textile industries to provide different kind of the colors of the clothes to the clothes. In the textile industries, coloring. In paper industry, you use different kind of papers. Acids are used to prepare the dye, and also leather industries, you have seen different color of the leather bags. Leather bags, different dyes used acid. Now it is also used in making the baking powder. Acids are commonly used into the baking powder. Now one another and important, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid used into the manufacturing of the fertilizers. Fertilizers like super phosphate. Sulfuric acid, manufacturing of fertilizers and different kind of industries तो है सही. साथ में manufacturing of fertilizers, especially sulfuric, super phosphate fertilizers, used into the batteries, inverter, truck, car batteries, बड़े बड़े batteries होते हैं. Also used to drugs, paint and dyes. Dyes in textile industries, paper industry and leather industry, and also used to making the baking powder. Now in order to discussion usage of acids, some acids are also used for the purification. Actually, do you know boilers in industries? I was young at a time. My father took a contract of cleaning of the boilers in thermal power plant Kota. The boiler was become too much blockage were there and it stopped the working. Why? Because the water taking from the river, the water due to the heat of coal, it convert into steam and it left over here the salt. This salt deposit and deposit in large extent. It totally blocked. Scales, you can say scales. The scales develop in the boiler. In this case, the acids, what we have done, we make a pipeline and make a pipeline. In this pipeline, supply the acid. Now put the acid with high pressure. It react with the salt and remove the salts, and this process is known as descaling. Descalation. Removal of the scales or salt from the boiler is known as descalation. Now you know well, by the crystallization, evaporation of water, we obtain the acids. We obtain the salt. Sea water evaporate, it left over here salt. These salt, from these salt are not pure because it contains a number of impurities. So it is purified by the acids. Acids are utilized to purify the salts. You know well, silver, gold, platinum, these are the very less reactive metals. They do not react. That's why these are known as noble metals. These are known as noble metals because these are non-reactive. So, for purification of such kind of the metals, gold, silver, platinum, we use gold, silver, we use the acids. Got it? So, acid used into the number one, de-escalation, removal salt from the boilers. Second, purification of common salt. Third one, yes, purification of noble metals. Now look over here. When we eat spicy food or too much food, our body secrete acids, hydrochloric acid in large amount in our stomach. Right? We have discussed in the second chapter. The stomach hydrochloric acid present, secrete in large amount. It causes burning, slightly burning of stomach wall or lower part of esophagus. This excess release of हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज हाईली पेनफुल. पेट में जलन लग रही है एंड दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज एसिडिटी. टू रिमूव एसिडिटी इट इज वेरी इजी प्रोसेस. टेक अ हाफ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क, ठंडा पी दूध, पुट सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड ड्रिंक इट. The calcium present in the acid, calcium present in the milk, it will neutralize the effect of acid. And second one, antacids. Antacids. Second one is the use of antacids. Use of antacid. Antacid having MgOH2. Magnesium hydroxide, it is known as antacid. Magnesium hydroxide. To remove acidity of our stomach, we use antacid, magnesium hydroxide, or simple taken the chilled milk.